going on when I'm not ready. I don't know why it keeps doing that, but it keeps doing that. So hi everyone, this is Lynette with Charm Grammy Crochet, and I was trying to edit something on my laptop for the live tomorrow. We are going to be live tomorrow for Tuesday Night Live. I don't know if we need more light or less light. Or maybe that's better. The sun is coming in and screwing up my lighting. But anyway, this is the Coke bottle room and Roy's recovery room, hence all the drugs. But he is downstairs, so I came up here to make a video. I was going to do it in the dining room, but or I guess I could have done it in the yard room, but this equipment was still here, so it's been a time, you know. But I went to the post office today to drop off some stuff, and I went to my post office box and I had Happy Mail. So I was so excited. I did a yarn swap with Lynette. She opened mine already a while back, and then she decided to send me some yarn, and it's in this big huge box. And I will admit I opened it with her on Zoom because we do like to do that. She has this box so overstuffed, I can't even tell you. Like, it's this size, and then you open it up and everything pops out. She gave me so much more than I gave her. So good for me. I gotta send her more yarn now because I feel like I should have. It is what it is. I had some yarns that she wanted, so I sent them to her, and she had some yarns that I said I would take because she doesn't like this kind of yarn, and I happen to really like it. So she sent me what she had of the yarn she doesn't like. I need to get her more yarn. Anyway, so you want to see what it is? Do you want to? It's a lot. And let's see. If I just put it here, will the box be in the way? So when Hobby Lobby was doing the clearance sale, she picked up a lot of this Dazzle. I love this yarn. It is a Yarn Bee yarn. They don't carry it anymore, but she had two different colorways. And this one is called Sunburst, and it has, there's I can't tell. Let's see. This is a Sunburst, I think. Yeah. So these two are Sunburst, and I think this one. And depending on how they're wound, you get to see more of the colors of them. Because this Dazzling yarn had so many colors in it. And then it's got just a little bit of sparkle, which is why they call it Dazzling. I don't think my camera is picking up the sparkle at all. This has a gold sparkle in it. Maybe you can see it a little here and there. I think the yarn is extremely soft, and I don't feel the metallic in it at all. But it bothers me. Oh, pardon me. So let's see. Real quick, the stats on it are 98% acrylic, 2% metallic polyester. And I guess that's like a Stenley. That's what they were calling it. 3.5 ounces, 100 grams, 249 yards, 288 meters. And it is well, you'd think it would say right there what the weight is. How am I missing it? 3 ounce. Oh, there it is. 4 weight. I thought it was a 4 weight. So, like I said, depending on how, I think there's 4 of these. But I'm only seeing 3 right now off the top of my head. Don't mind the mess in the corner. This was all, I had everything arranged for Roy to be up here and me to film downstairs. So now we've changed that, which is great that he can be downstairs, you guys. I'm so excited that he is downstairs. And then this one, and this one is missing its label, but you get to see how beautiful the purples are, because mostly you see the greens in this one. And this is called A Hint of Jasmine. But do you see how, just by how differently it's wound, it doesn't even look like it's the same yarn or the same colorway. Now I think she, oh wait, this one, yep, that's a hint of jasmine too. And I think so is this one. Yeah. Wait, there's more. There's another. I think she bought all of them in this color that they had in the store. Oh, this has got to be, yeah. Yeah. Wait, there's more. Oh, this is the sunburst. So there were 4 of the sunburst. And no. Oh, okay, so there's this many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 of the purple. Ooh. And you know, I'm doing the boggy blanket in the purple and green. I like purple and green together. But with this, I might make something for Chloe because Chloe's favorite color has always historically been purple. I mean green. She likes mostly like an army green. And there are several greens in here. Like look at this one, you can see all the different greens. And she likes that mustard yellow color. So this could be maybe a really cool like shrug sweater. So I might do that. I got plenty because I had some of that color already too. Then she gave me, and I had not ever seen this, Hygge, Red Heart Hygge Charm. And it's a sparkle yarn as well. It's got a gold sparkle in there. Who knew? I don't think I've ever seen it. I think it's really soft. It's got a little bit of a halo. And this color is called Morning Star. It is a 4-weight. I don't know. It's a green. It's green in the sunlight, but when I didn't have the sunlight in here, it looked gray to me. But you know, my husband has a Ford Expedition. The color is called green, but it definitely looks like a gray car. Once in a great while, you can see, oh yeah, there's a hint of green in that car. And the color is called green. I can't remember what it is. And we're like, where are they getting green? Because it completely looks like a gray car. Right now, this looks completely green to me. I don't know what you're seeing on your end, but when I first opened it, I'm like, is that gray or is that green? But it's definitely green. And let's see, I was going to give you the stats. I keep going right past them. I'm sure. Okay, there it is. They're 7-ounce balls, 198 grams. Let's see, 432 yards, 395 meters. And it's 97% acrylic and 3% sparkle. I love sparkle. Lynette does not like sparkle. But look at this. I have 4 of these. Ooh-hoo-hoo. And, oops, this one, I'm pulling it apart. Don't pull apart, don't pull apart. Let me put those back in the box real quick. So I have 4 of these, and then she sent me, oh, don't pull, 3 in this color. This is a peachy pink. Totally love the color. Same stats, but this color is called Meteor. I love the color. This would be, so this also would be a really cool something for Chloe in this dark gray or dark green. But I like the 2 colors together. Now Bag O'Day, Bag O'Day just came out with a shrug, and I really like that pattern. But I just downloaded a pattern. It was a free pattern Friday. I got a piece of, I don't know. Okay, there we go. Free pattern Friday from Chandy at Expression Fiber Arts, and it's a beautiful shrug. Cocoon shrug, I think. No, yeah. And it's crochet, and I might, she did it all in one color. I might have enough of each color to do that. I haven't looked at that sizing or anything like that yet, but I love those colors, and I might Now, my third granddaughter asked me to make her a sweater. And she wanted it white and pink. This is like a peachy pink. So maybe this color and just a 4 white could be cool together because they're different textures, so it would give them something awesome. She originally showed me a knitted sweater in black and white. So, but she would go with this army too. So maybe that could be cute for her as well. I don't know, but the sparkle in it would be really nice for any little girl, even us older girls. Some of us anyway. Some of us apparently aren't very bright and don't like sparkles. I don't know what's wrong with those people. But that's not me because I love a good sparkle yarn. So this is my happy mail. So exciting. From Lynette in our yarn swap. I totally love it. Whoa, dropping things. Totally love it. It's so fun to get happy mail. And when it's yarn, it even makes it that much better. So thank you so much, Lynette. I really appreciate it. Thank you guys all for watching. Thumbs and all that stuff is good too. Love the comments. And oh, they're falling. Oh no, yarn avalanche. I'm used to that, right? Okay, guys, I will see you in the next video. Bye.